Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need player level 12, the microwave dinner recipe, and the component list. First, gather 3x glow salt, 1x turbo crust, and 1/2 cup phantom oil. Next, travel to the Lighthouse kitchen zone and approach the microwave terminal. Once there, open the crafting UI and place items into slots in order. Glow salt, turbo crust, then phantom oil. Make sure the microwave is set to 450 degrees power before starting, because the temperature affects the emergent speedster properties. You now assemble and activate. Insert the items in the exact order and watch for green check marks on each slot. Once assembled, set the timer to 0, 45 and confirm power remains at 450 degrees. Press activate and stand clear. The microwave will emit a blue pulse as the speedster forms, followed by a quick yellow flash to signal completion. If you interrupt the sequence, you risk mutation. Therefore, wait until the process finishes, and the UI shows the new Lighthouse Speedster icon before attempting to collect it. You finish by collecting the Lighthouse Speedster from the output tray and equipping it right away to lock in stats. If the result looks mutated or underpowered, discard the item and repeat the process using fresh components because stacked failures can reduce final statistics. If the microwave fails to complete, reset the machine, recenter the items in their slots, and try again with a boosted phantom oil, plus 10% if available. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify power and timer settings before each activation to prevent waste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.